morning, guys, and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Oh my god. We're gonna get through this, Bree. We're gonna get through this. Look at this.
Oh my god! Shut the front door!
Thanks. This is literally a flood. Hey, what is up, guys? We're starting the day off great. Our car has a flat tire. Oh god, 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 oh god.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, yeah. Hey, take your shirt off so the vlog's more interesting.
Now we know.
Little issues, nothing too crazy. Good thing we have friends that can help and a spare tire. But I'm really interested to know what I ran over because I didn't feel it pop, so unless someone slashed my tires, maybe it was literally.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh. You got them all out.
Good morning, guys. I hope it stays this wonderful outside out. Does that make sense? Probably not. We're watching the contest. It's lackluster. Starting the day off looking pretty cute today. I glowed up, did my hair, did my makeup, wore a cute bikini. I think we're gonna go hang out on the beach because it's not raining today. You know, it could be sunnier, but it's not raining, and that's pretty much all that matters at this point. All my nails are officially off. I still need a nail clipper though because this one is crusty. Oh my god, it feels so good.
Do you feel it? Oh. Are you serious?
What's up, guys? It's me. Currently with Jack. He's getting gas. Pretty much the entire day has just been rain, more rain, wind, and a whole lot of nothingness. If you came from my last Hawaii vlogs and you just were really excited for some like quality beach content, that's just not what this week is. I'll have to come back another time for some sun. We're here with Jack. Jack is in front of the camera now.
This is...
You know, Jack is usually behind the camera. If you guys don't know, Jack is a huge YouTuber.
Stressed out. Is this how it feels to be in front of the camera?
He produces the best YouTube series on the internet. This is living. Actually, no, this is live in. There's no G.
I can't look at you with this shades on. I'm just start laughing. Look.
But yeah, sorry there's no sun today, guys. I wish I could have it a different way, but unfortunately I can't predict the weather. So, until next time. Okay, bye.
Ooh, do you watch Miss Mabel?
What? Good morning, guys. It is another day in Hawaii, and oh god. Get in there. We started our morning off in the sun. We went to the beach. I didn't vlog because it's just a rare occasion. The sun hasn't been out in days. We were just really excited because we didn't know how long it was gonna last. So we went to the beach. I got my tan on. I literally tanned 5 shades darker. Tan is popping. We're about to head to the Sunrise Shack to get a papaya bowl. Well, I'm gonna get a papaya bowl. What are you gonna get?
I might get an acai bowl.
Ooh, maybe I will get an acai bowl. I don't know what I'm feeling today. And then I think we should stop by Koa's after. Do we pop the top? No. And of course, we ended back up at the Sunrise Shack. This time I got a green juice. Of course, I have to get the vegan brownie. So good.
His name's Leroy. He's a rescue dog. One day, my mom came home with a dog and was like, hey, we've adopted a dog. I'm like, why is it not a puppy? And she's like, it's a rescue. And then all of a sudden, we gained Leroy to the family. And he was super scared of me forever because he had a rough past life. And now we're BFFs. See, look at him. He loves me.
Leroy.
We don't know how old he is. but he's a great dog. Yeah. Look at your little fangs. He wants to be scratched on his neck. Oh, who's a good boy? I feel like it's always been a veggie.
He's so confident.
Yeah.
It's a fruit.
It's a fruit, dude. 100%.
My definition of a fruit.
What's up on it? Oh, another word? You're like...
This is so scary.
We can go down this dark, lonely path all by ourselves.
Hi guys. Apparently there's like the biggest meteor shower in history tonight. So we're on the beach and I have my glasses on and all of our friends are on the beach and we're gonna watch the stars. Are we missing a bunch of people?
Yeah.
Okay.
Another one.
What? I didn't see that one.
It's not even 11 o'clock yet.
Guys, I have to admit something. I've never in my entire life seen something like this before.
No way. Me either.
I've
never
never
seen
in my life. No, I'm like crying.
We have vegan marshmallows and vegan hot cocoa.
This is just dark.
The saddest movie ever is Coco.
Thought I saw your face on a photograph. Saw you all alone and I had to ask, why you wanna go? Don't you run so fast?
We just took some behind the scenes with an iPhone. Insert some video here. But yeah, we're shooting with this really cool leaf. I don't know where one finds a leaf this cool, but it's pretty unique. And also, we found some nasty garbage on the beach. So if you're ever on the beach, pick up garbage, even if it's not yours, because that's something that you should get used to doing. Bree's here. We found 2 pieces of trash on the beach. What is this? Looks like a sticker or something. We're taking it away. Ooh, that's a cute bikini. Ooh, yes. I was drinking so much coffee this morning and then I was getting more and more bloated with like each sip and I was like, I should probably set this down, at least for the shoot. Coffee doesn't like make you bloated? Really? Oh, here we go. Okay guys, so we just wrapped shooting. It is pretty loud out here because of the waves. But yeah, we just wrapped shooting. I hope you guys can hear me. I've been finding so much garbage on the floor of this beach. I just wanted to say, I hope that I can be a little bit of an inspiration to you guys to pick up trash that you see on the beach, even small little things like little pieces of glass and little pieces of plastic. I was finding like balloons and styrofoam pieces all over the beach. Whenever you're on the beach or just walking around at a park, please pick up your trash. Inspire your friends. I hope I inspired you. Do some good for the world. Pick up your garbage. Just found a used sock. Yeah, this isn't the first sock I've found. I found some socks on the west side as well. Yeah, put the fork in there. Icky.
So cute! Oh, yeah! Hi! We're all like these. Come here! Why are you so cute? What are you doing? Why are you so cute?
And he rides off into the sunset.
Hey! We made it!
We're here!
We're here!
There we go. I think we're gonna go to Turtle Bay again. We've been hitting up Turtle Bay like so hardcore. But it's been so good. It is full vacay mode. I love it. Honestly, that's like the highlight of my trip is like Turtle Bay with Bree.
We had a date the other night. It was just Ava and I went to Turtle Bay, had a little Mai Tai, then we went to Laylay's and split a pasta dinner together.
It was amazing.
And split another Mai Tai together. It was the cutest thing you've ever seen.
It was. It's better than any date I've had.
Thank you.
Wow, way to put that on the video, eh?
Even the one the night before.
sips tea. Okay, so it's a little bit later. The girls and I, we're all gonna go to Turtle Bay for sunset Mai Tais, but we're not gonna make sunset. Brie! We'll be in the car. But yeah, I'm just wearing my hair in the same style, just like half up, half down. I'm wearing a sweater that my friend Alex gave me a sweater for Christmas because I loved it so much. I posted this picture on Instagram and I just like loved this sweater. I borrowed it from him. So for Christmas, Alex gave me his sweater. It's literally the perfect length. Like you can wear it as a dress. You can dress it up. You can dress it down. I've never had like the perfect hoodie. So
Now you do.
now I do. Ooh, look at Bree's outfit. Look at this look.
Do we like it?
We love. I'm going for the like girl next door look,
Yeah.
you know, like that.
Yeah,
Just
I
like,
love it.
thanks.
You know, like casual, but still like
Like,
I'm hot.
Yeah, like I can dress it down and still look hot,
Yeah.
you know?
We're going hiking.
Ayla, you look so cute from the behind.
Oh.
You look so hot. Look at that. Go, go, go.
Wow.
Oh my god, nothing gets me more excited than good stuff.
Ayla, work your little legs.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Almost as pretty as y'all, like you guys are prettier.
Good morning, guys. It is a new day. Today we are leaving. It's really sad. I don't want to leave. This really freaking sucks. And of course the weather just got good, so of course this is how my life works itself out, you know. We're heading to the airport. We just packed up the Airbnb, made it all nice and pretty. And yeah, basically I think we're gonna take our friend Malik to the airport as well because he's leaving pretty much on the same time as me in order to fit everyone in this tiny car because we literally only have 2 seats and then 2 little like bucket back seats. I took the top down so we could fit the suitcases in, and Brie doesn't know that I took the top down yet, and I think she's gonna be like, and she's gonna laugh when she sees that the top's down. Probably not gonna allow me to drive around the North Shore with the top down and suitcases in the back, but it's a vibe, you know?
Oh Jesus.
Get in, loser! What?
All the way?
What do you mean?
Like all the way there before we go like that?
No, I just wanted to get the suitcases in.
Oh,
I feel like we're going on a little road trip.
a little road trip? Where we going road trip to?
The airport.
Dang it.
I don't think I've ever felt more girly than in this moment. You know, what's the girliest song you can ever think of?
I want you to rule my life. You rule my life.
Blonde boys blowing up my phone. I